Overall, I feel pretty good about this paper, and I learned a lot about writing this type of paper, like integrating research into an argumentative essay, because I'd never really done that before. I want my readers to take away the positive effects that teen mentoring can have on children, as well as teens and the communities that they live in, and I just want them to understand why this is important and how it can be implemented. During our meeting, you said to add more evidence of how this can be helpful and to pose a solution to the problem, because I haven't really done that yet. And I just spent more time researching solutions and studies that had already been done, and I provided more statistics on how this can be helpful. Like here in the paragraph about mental health in children, just added some studies in there. I think that my paper could use more improvement on the solution aspect still. There's still pretty limited large-scale research, but I think I did pretty well. Let's see, let me try to find it. It's down here. So yeah, I think I did pretty well trying to provide like the small-scale study, trying to provide the feasibility of how that can be integrated into like a large-scale type of program. And my hope is that there will be more research on this soon, and I'll be interested to hear more about that in the future. What I like the most about this paper is that really just that it's an interesting topic to me, and I think that in the actual writing, I think I outlined the benefits to this pretty well, like again in the paragraph about like the mental health and social well-being on children. I thought that I integrated the research really well there. Same with where I was talking about how teenagers are benefited through this. So yeah, thank you.